Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how you could make $10 to $45 over and over again without making any sales, guys. So this is going to be a very easy way for you to earn money in affiliate marketing and use this way to really generate yourself some serious cash without even making people to buy things. So this is going to be a very good video for you if you want to learn this way and make some real big money here. Okay guys, so let's get started. Alright guys, here I am. How to earn affiliate commissions without making sales. You actually can use affiliate marketing to earn commissions without having to drive sales, guys. And the answer to this question is finding affiliate programs that is just cost per lead, basically, that pay per lead. So there are services out there that are willing to pay you just to generate leads for them, qualified leads, okay? So they either would have to fill out some kind of form to have a qualified lead, or be on a phone call for a certain amount of time, and they would say that's a qualified call. So you could get paid per call or get paid per lead from a sign-up form, and that's it. And if you actually make actual sales after that, then you could earn even more. So I'm going to show you 3 affiliate programs and what industry this is to go into that can offer you these awesome affiliate programs, okay? Okay guys, so this is the first company I was going to show you. It's called National Debt Relief. So this is the niche that you can go into for affiliate marketing and earn without even having to generate any sales. So for a debt relief company, what they want is basically a form like this. If you can get somebody to fill out their information like this, that alone right there can be a cost per lead right there, okay? So this industry is about people needing help from their credit card debt, especially credit card debt. Okay, so you can have yourself a niche, going into this niche and help people get relief from credit card debt. So National Debt Relief's affiliate program works like this. You earn $27.50 per qualified free debt relief quote request. So that's basically that form in the front page right here. See, free debt relief quote. Okay. That's basically what this is. Earn $27.50 per qualified free debt relief quote request with our pay per lead program. Short 6-field form takes 1 minute to complete. So you just gotta get people to fill in this form to get to earn $27.50. And then you can also earn $41 per qualified free debt relief phone call with our pay per call program. And then if you refer other affiliates, then you could also earn 12% of their commission. So if they are earning these amounts, you get to earn 12% of that. And it does not come out of that affiliate's commissions, of course. It's the company paying you on top of that. So they want more people to be promoting them. So they'll pay you to refer other affiliates, okay? So this is a great program. You see how there is no selling here. You're just getting people to sign up for a form or just give them a call to talk about their program and how they can get some assistance from this company. And that's all you need to do. The customer that you refer doesn't actually have to enroll to any of the programs for you to get paid. Okay, so this is just one of the program, and yes, you would need to kind of read the details of all this to make sure you know exactly how you're going to get paid for these leads that you send them, okay? And their program is at Share a Sale. Share a Sale is an affiliate network which has tons of companies like National Debt Relief where you can join their affiliate program there. And ShareSale basically administers the affiliate program for them, and so they don't have to run it on their own. So that's it. That's their affiliate program for this company. And then I want to show you two other ones. This one is called American Debt Enders, and this is their home page. This website is a little busy for me, but if I go to their affiliate program, the cost here, how you get paid, you will get paid for $10 for every qualified lead, and then you get enrollment. So if you actually make sales, you get to earn even more from this program. So this program, the only one without a sale is only $10, okay? So you can only earn $10 for the leads, but if you actually close sales, you get to earn these amounts, guys, okay? There's so many programs that you can get your people to sign up for here, and you can earn all those commissions if you could get those signed up. But so that's $10 is not as much as the National Debt Relief, which is $27.50 and $41. So this one may not be as good, but it doesn't hurt to have several programs to promote for. This last one I want to show you is called Guardian Debt Relief, and this one pays really well. I really like this website too because they look much more professional. I'd rather promote somebody like this than that second one, and I would rather go for this first one or this third one. I'm not sure about this one. It just doesn't look good for me. But it's a good company still, but I just don't like the way the website is. And when you send people to a website, you want them to have a good experience. So for me, a website like Guardian or National Debt Relief have more of a better user experience just by me knowing websites and knowing how websites should look or navigate. This has a very easy way to navigate. And look at this form here. Get free quotes. Six little fields to fill out. So their affiliate program, Guardian Debt Relief, I believe is the best one because they pay the highest one. So per lead, you get $32 from this one, okay, for qualified lead acquired through a free debt relief quote form. I mean, how easy is this, guys, okay? And then this other one, pay per call, guys, okay? Earn $45 per lead acquired through a free phone consultation. Our phone consultation is completely free and requires no obligation at all. On this call, one of our debt specialists will review the lead's specific situation and determine their eligibility of getting their debt settled. So this is a very easy way for you guys to earn $45. Like, awesome. And then look at this. If you close a real deal here, okay, if you refer somebody that actually, you know, goes with their services and closes a deal, you earn $325, guys. This is awesome, okay? The other programs don't even have, look, this one have no closing deals, and this one has closing deals, but this one is only up to $125 for any closed deal. So you have the best deal here at Guardian Debt Relief. So this is a great one, great program to go into. And then you get 15% commission if you refer other people to also be affiliates of this program. So instead of earning 12% at National Debt Relief here for referring other affiliates, you get 15 here. So I mean, this is really the best out of the three in a lot of respects. So that is my recommendation, to maybe even go for just Guardian Debt Relief and concentrate on one program and just drive as much traffic to it as possible for your targeted audience to get their debt relief, guys, okay? So this actually works, okay? And if you don't know how to drive traffic, if you don't know how to use affiliate programs like this to make money, then it is very advisable for you to learn how to do this using a program that I've been learning from since 2016, and that is ACT. right here, Wealthy Affiliate. Okay, guys? This is where you can learn how to build an affiliate website and how to drive traffic from that affiliate website on its own. You will learn the exact technique on how to do this and drive thousands of people highly targeted to your debt relief website and then earn those awesome big commissions from Guardian Debt Relief. And that is how you would do it, guys, okay? But for you to come here and see my little face on here, you will need to go to workanywherenow.com/team Littlemama, okay? Because without my link, you will not get me on this wealthy affiliate site. And then that means it could be really sad for you because then you won't get me as your premium coach. All right, you want me as your premium coach, guys, okay? Because I am a big earner in this program and I can help you on your journey. You can look at my profile, okay? So here's my profile, guys. You could just basically look, you're gonna sign up here for free, okay? No credit card required. You can sign up for free. Then you're gonna log in and then you're gonna type up here Littlemama. See if you go Littlemama. And then you could find me right there. You come to my profile right here and then you can read about my profile. But what's important that I want to show you is you want to read right here my posts, okay? So you want to go to view all, check out my posts, and you can read about my entire journey here, okay? You can see how much I've been making, how my journey has been this entire time. I've been here since 2016, guys, okay? So I have some experience on this platform and I could definitely help you. And workanywherenow.com is my product of this training, so the training definitely works and I make good money with it and I know I can help you in this process. So sign up with me using workanywherenow.com/team Littlemama and I will help you guys, okay? So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you really learned something about affiliate marketing. And I hope you would join my Wealthy Affiliate so I can help you in the near future on how to create your affiliate website. Okay, guys? All right. So please give me a like on this video if you liked it. And I hope you will subscribe to my channel so you can learn more about affiliate marketing and hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out, guys. Okay? So I hope to see you on the Wealthy Affiliate platform and I will check you later on the next video. Bye.